What's up? Welcome to the BoingRC Workbench. Today we're going to be soldering some shit on some motors. What might we be soldering, you ask? I'm going to be soldering on Deans plugs. Why? Because I like to put Deans plugs on my motors. Kind of like this one here. Check it out. Deans plug on a motor. It's amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, kind of a bit of an unboxing as well. I got this Reedy 14 turn 5 slot that yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put a Deans plug on. Let's see, go ahead and use that right there. Go ahead and open that up. And let's take a look at what you get inside, as if I don't already know because I buy a ton of Reedy motors, hence here's another one right here. You get this big old motor. It's the first I've actually tried one of their 550 slots. Apparently they don't like to put their stickers on very well. That's new. Go ahead and fix that for them because they're in such a goddamn rush at the factory. Yeah, this thing's actually looking pretty nice other than that stupid thing with the sticker. Heavy. I like how heavy it is. Yeah, anyways, I don't like these stupid little bullet connectors. So I'm going to take them off. We're going to go ahead and do that right now. Let's see, something to cut that with. Cut those off real quick here. Get them cut up. Don't like them. Get them off. And pull out Deans. If I can get it open. What do I use? Female. Before I cut myself, where did that little thing go? Throw those away. Alright. Go ahead and cut that. Oh, you son of a... Get my janky piece of shit soldering iron and my janky helping hands. Oh yeah. Word to the wise, don't buy these at the swap meet. Case in point. Go ahead and tin this up. Get it all, oh. God, there's a bunch of crap on there. Whoa. Wipe that off. Go ahead, ooh, look at now. So much cleaner, so much cleaner. Oh, smells like shit. Tin that up real good. Get, lots of solder on there. More solder, more better. More solder, more better. Hey, that wire's getting hot. Oh shit, starting to sizzle. Okay, let's get back to work. And ta-da, just like that, it's soldered. Now we gotta get these little heat shrinks on here. Go ahead and slide them up. Slide them up. Oh, god damn it. Still too hot. Still too hot. I do that so I can see where I'm blowing. Your heat shrink doesn't want to fit over it, but you just gotta fucking jam it in there. Voila, voila. Just like that, you have a motor with a Deans plug on it, because I like to put Deans plugs on my goddamn fucking motor. On a bit of a teaser note, this motor, this crawler radon Reedy 12 turn power 5 slot. I know I read that totally out of order. It's a Reedy power 12 turn 5 slot motor. Is gonna be thrown in this hunk of junk right here. This is literally a spare parts build. It's an SCX-10 frame with the most crooked drive shafts you've ever seen. On AR60 axles, those are a lock diff, with SMT10 wheels and tires, all because I had all these spare parts. So yeah, it's fun. Beat it up a little bit. As you can see, it says here Reedy powered, even though this body's off a different truck. Hence, like I said, spare parts build. So trying to give it a Reedy motor. As for the other motor, this one that we soldered up here today, this one is gonna go in my rock bouncer, which is right here. So yeah, this is a total, technically aftermarket build. Every single thing here is aftermarket parts, a lot of which are cheap Chinese knockoffs, which is why this chassis is not exactly straight in certain places. I don't know how well you can see that on camera, if it's showing up. But yeah, that thing is not straight. But it's fun, nonetheless. That one's actually got a Reedy 19-turn 3-slot in it, which likes to overheat on me, which is why this motor is going to go in there. And if need be, I'll bump it up to 3S, make it go faster. Who knows? We'll see later on other videos. I'll put that out of the way. Knocking over shit. But yeah. So thanks for watching. If you did watch, who cares? I don't know, because I'm not getting paid for this.